Hey guys, it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my recipe for Tandoori Paneer Tikka, which is one of my favorite vegetable tikkas, and it takes creamy bouncy paneer, marinates it in a spiced yogurt, and then I layer it on a skewer with crispy veggies before charring it off on a grill. It is so good on its own as an appetizer, or you can serve it with some hot buttered naan on the side, and it makes for an amazing mate. Now, if you're looking for the full recipe, it is just under this video. Let's get started. Now let's get cracking on this marinade. I want it to be punchy, I want it to be flavorful, and I'm starting off with a base of plain yogurt to which we're gonna add a whole bunch of different ingredients to bring it to life. So the first thing that I'm going to do is grate in a little bit of fresh garlic, some fresh ginger. I'm going to squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. And now is the fun part, the spices. And I have a bevy of them that are going in. So first, a little bit of chaat masala, some garam masala. For a bit of heat, some chili powder. Here's one of my favorite spices, kasoori methi, and a touch of ground nutmeg. For that iconic tandoori color, I'm gonna go in with some orange food color, a little drizzle of oil, and for some nuttiness, a little bit of besan, also known as chickpea flour. Now I'm gonna season things up with salt, and we're gonna mix this until it is completely combined. Look at that gorgeous, iconic tandoori color. Now this marinade is ready for our paneer and veggies. Now I have about a pound of paneer here that I've cut into little rectangles, and I've done the same with my red and green peppers as well as onions. Now they're both gonna go into the mix, and we're gonna toss everything to coat. Now at this point, you can allow it to marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes to overnight in the fridge to allow for maximum marination. That's gonna make the tandoori nice and juicy and tender and make sure all of those spices penetrate to the middle. Once the paneer has marinated, it's just a matter of getting them onto skewers. So I'm going to alternate between our crispy veggies and our paneer until they fill the length of the skewer, and I'll repeat the same process with the remaining ingredients. Now it's time to grill things up. These paneer tikka skewers don't take too long at all, and I have a nice hot indoor grill here. You can just as easily do this on an outdoor grill, or heck, if you don't have a grill, you can do this in a frying pan at home. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my skewers, place them onto the hot grill, brush them with a little bit of butter, and we're gonna turn them every 30 seconds or so, cooking them on each side until the paneer is nice and charred and those vegetables have cooked as well. I'm going to pull my hot skewers off the grill, load them onto a platter, and serve them with wedges of fresh lemon. And just like that, my easy Tandoori Paneer Tikka is done. This Tandoori Paneer Tikka smells and looks incredible. I wish I could just send some to you through my screen, but I can't. But the next best thing is for me to taste it, describe it to you, and hopefully that provides enough incentive for you to want to try it at home. So I'm gonna grab some of that paneer, some of those charred vegetables. Let's give it a taste. Oh my gosh, so good. The first thing that I get is that hit of butter. Anytime you're making a grilled kebab, melted butter basted over the top is a great idea. It makes it nice and nutty, helps things char up, and paired with the chickpea flour, it's a match made in heaven. The paneer itself is so tender and creamy, and it has done a beautiful job of absorbing all the flavors of the spices. The veggies are tender and crisp, slightly charred, and paired all together, this is so good. Now, whether you're vegetarian or non-vegetarian, trust me, you're going to love this one. The recipe is nice and simple, and it comes together really quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.